So today I'm gonna show you first what I did, and then I'm gonna gross you out.
But you probably gathered that from the title, didn't you? Good morning! So, yesterday, I'm sorry, I'm watching my battery. I'm testing it out. And last time it actually stopped when I was using the phone, but not the phone, the iPad. But anyway, it's working. Yay! Yesterday, my wife bought me these inks for my printer because they're gone. I mean, not gone, they're finished, right? And I need new ones. And since I use my printer so much and I do this every day, I still need the user manual to do this. So let's go there. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna vacuum the floor because my wife asked it. And trust me, I'm not gonna show you because these vlogs are boring enough as it is. So this is it, kids. Oh yeah. Look at this. Big brains. Okay, it's in Dutch, but you can type something in Google Translator, right? Look at this. Goodness! You think I'm gonna be able to eat it? Okay, what we need is a pan with butter, yes, some salt, some nutmeg, and some pepper, and goo. Oh, look! It's baking so nicely. Oh, she's just gonna dig in right now? I got my pen. I got this little board. I got my brains. I'm sorry, I can't do this. I can't lie to you guys. I have been eating pig's brains from as long as I remember. And wait a minute. That is so good. You want some? We had an aunt, and every year she bought some piglets and she raised them, and when the time was there, we went there and helped her process the food. There was a butcher there who killed the pigs, and we went to process the food. I helped there, and we actually ate everything this pig could offer. The organs, which is healthy by the way, just read it in a scientific article in a magazine called Quest. And it's just, I mean, we ate everything. We ate the intestines were used to make a sort of sausage. Blood was used to make that sausage. And it was amazing. It was very good. And the pig's brains, well, they were mine. I have eaten pig brains, yeah, from when I was little. No, there is no mad pig disease or anything, so I hope you liked it because, hey, I do. Bon appetit. It's really good. Oops. So, sufficiently grossed out? You still want to subscribe to my channel? Or click the like button? Please click the like button and leave some comments in the box. I'm sure you're gonna leave some comments in the box. And share it with your friends. They're gonna be grossed out too. Yeah, baby. Yeah. So, see you tomorrow. Where's the camera? Oh. See you tomorrow.